Hello students, how are you all? Be safe, stay home. Let's start a new chapter, molecular basis of inheritance. In this video, I will tell you about genetic material that is transferred from generation to generation and control genetic characters. Clear? Our first topic is inheritance. Inheritance is a biological process. It is also known as heredity. Here, heredity means genetic characters or genetic traits are transferred from parents to offsprings. It means from one generation to another generation. There are different kinds of genetic characters in living organisms. In case of human beings, skin color, hair color, eye color, height, curly hair or straight hairs. In case of plants, seed color, seed shape, flower color, flower position on the stem, height of stem, color of leaves, etc. Clear? On the basis of these different genetic characters, individuals differ from each other. For example, in case of human beings, some person has black color of skin, some person has fair color of skin, and some person has whitish black color of skin. Clear? On the basis of eye color, some person has grey color of eyes, some person has black color of eyes, some person has green color of eyes. Clear? It means we can say that on the basis of these genetic characters, individuals differ from each other. Clear? Here we should know that each genetic character is controlled by gene. That's why we can say that gene is the unit of heredity, because genetic characters are transmitted from parents to offsprings by the help of gene. Clear? You should know that when Gregor John Mendel was working on pea plant to prove inheritance, clear, then he gave a term that's name was factor or substance. He told that there are some factors that are transferred from generation to generation and control genetic characters. But after this, in 1909, Johnson named scientist told that they were not factors, they were gene, and genes are transferred from generation to generation and control genetic characters. He also proved that gene is the functional and physical unit of heredity. Clear? You know very well, each and every living cell consists of chromosomes. Genes are located on chromosomes in a linear form at a specific site that is called gene loci or gene locus. Clear? Chromosomes acts as a vector or vehicle to transfer genes from generation to generation. इसी को प्रूव करने के लिए दो साइंटिस्ट थे, सटन एंड बोवेरी. They proposed chromosomal theory of inheritance. On the basis of this theory, they told that chromosomes acts as a vectors and provide help to transfer genes generation to generation. A chromosome contain 100 to thousands of genes. Clear? Total number of gene form genome. You are seeing here there are many genes, but some functional genes provide help to synthesize useful products. Each specific functional gene is responsible to produce a specific product like enzymes, hormones or any other characters. Clear? If due to any reason, if gene is deleted from chromosome, then a specific product will not form in the body. Clear? Genes are made up by genetic materials or genetic molecules. In this chapter, we will study about genetic molecules. There are two types of genetic molecules or genetic materials: deoxyribonucleic acid, in short form DNA, ribonucleic acid, in short form RNA. DNA acts as a hereditary material and it is transferred from generation to generation and control genetic characters. Okay? Some functional genes or DNA acts as a building blocks to form protein in the cell. कुछ साइंटिस्ट थे, उन्होंने बताया था कि प्रोटीन एक्ट्स एज ए जेनेटिक मटेरियल एंड प्रोटीन ट्रांसफर्ड फ्रॉम जनरेशन टू जनरेशन एंड कंट्रोल genetic characters. Clear? but other scientists disproved it and told that DNA acts as a key for the formation of protein. If DNA is not present in the cell, then protein formation will not take place in the cell. Clear? There are three biochemical reactions like replication, transcription and translation. Clear? In case of replication, one molecule of DNA acts as a parental strands and form many copies of DNA. After this, another process occurs that is called transcription. In case of transcription, one molecule of DNA makes messenger RNA or mRNA. After this, translation occurs. In case of translation, mRNA acts as a master strand to form protein. Right now we are seeing here protein formation takes place in the presence of DNA. That's why we can say that DNA acts as a key for the formation of protein. Clear? In eukaryotic cells, nucleus occur. Inside nucleus, fluid occurs. This fluid is known as nucleoplasm. In this fluid, many thin thread-like structures are present that are called chromosomes. Genes are located on chromosomes at a specific site. Clear? And genes are made up of by genetic materials. There are two types of genetic materials, DNA and RNA. Clear? DNA that occurs in nucleus, it is called nuclear DNA. There are some well-developed cell organelles like mitochondria and chloroplast. They also consist DNA and they are known as mitochondrial DNA and chloroplast DNA. In case of prokaryotic cells, nucleus is absent but DNA occurs in a cytoplasm. This type of DNA is known as cytoplasmic DNA. There are two types of cytoplasmic DNA, chromosomal DNA and extrachromosomal DNA. First of all, we will know about chromosomal DNA. Chromosomal is a circular DNA. It is also known as genomic DNA. It consists of functional active genes that are responsible to produce protein by the help of transcription and translation process. Clear? Some other circular DNA occurs in cytoplasm. They are known as extrachromosomal DNA. Extrachromosomal DNA is also known as plasmid DNA. इसकी डीपली स्टडी हम चैप्टर 11 के अंदर करेंगे. ओके, व्हेन यू see open structure of chromosomes, then you find double helix structure. This double helix structure is of DNA. DNA has two strands and these two strands are highly coiled with each other. Each strands of DNA consist nitrogen base. There are four nitrogen base: adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine. Adenine binds with thymine, cytosine binds with guanine by the help of hydrogen bonds. सभी पर ये नाइट्रोजन बेसिस प्रेजेंट होते हैं इस पूरे स्ट्रैंड्स के ऊपर. एंड द सीक्वेंस ऑफ नाइट्रोजन बेस इज कॉल्ड जीन. क्लियर? सिंपली वी कैन से दैट डीएनए इज coiled with thread-like structure that is called chromosome, and chromosome is made up of by DNA and protein that is called histone. Clear? DNA is a stable genetic material than compared to RNA because DNA does not act as a biocatalyst. Here biocatalyst means enzymes. DNA does not react with other chemical substances. ठीक है? DNA is responsible to produce some enzymes like DNA polymerase, but it does not act as a biocatalyst continuously. Okay. There are two types of DNA, single-stranded DNA and double-stranded DNA. Single-stranded DNA consists of single strands and double-stranded DNA consists two strands, and these two strands are coiled with each other. There are some features for genetic materials. First is that genetic material DNA or RNA transferred from generation to generation. It's a main characteristics of genetic material. सेकेंड वन इज इट शोज रेप्लिकेशन, कि जो भी जेनेटिक मेटेरियल्स होंगे दे शो रेप्लिकेशन. एंड आई हैव टोल्ड यू व्हाट द मीन ऑफ योर रेप्लिकेशन, कि वन पेरेंटल कॉपी ऑफ जेनेटिक मटेरियल makes multiple copies by the help of replication. That's why we can say that genetic materials replicate. Genetic materials DNA की बात करेंगे इसके अंदर कि DNA is chemically and structurally stable. I have told you DNA does not act as a biocatalyst. DNA provides help for slow changes in nitrogen base sequence. You know very well, DNA strand consists nitrogen base sequence. If any changes occurs in nitrogen base sequence, it causes mutation, and during mutation variation occurs. Variation is the key of evolution. Clear? If any changes occurs in environment, then living organisms adapt these changeable environment due to variations. Clear? अगर डीएनए के अंदर म्यूटेशन नहीं होगा तो वेरिएशंस नहीं होंगे. अगर वेरिएशन नहीं होता तो जो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिम्स है वो एग्जैक्ट कॉपी होता, फोटोकॉपी टू देयर पेरेंट्स. ठीक है. सो वेरिएशन इज एसेंशियल. क्लियर? दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन से दैट वेरिएशन इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर इवोल्यूशंस. और जितने भी हायर लिविंग ऑर्गेनिम्स होते हैं दे शो वेरिएशन. लोअर एनिमल्स डू नॉट शो वेरिएशंस. क्लियर? बिकॉज दे आर क्लोन, they are morphologically and genetically similar to their parents. Clear? Genetic material store bioinformation. I have told you the sequence of nitrogen base form gene. Gene store bioinformation to produce different kinds of useful products in the cell, like enzymes, hormones, and other kinds of protein that is essential for cell for different activities. Clear? So we can say that DNA store bioinformation. RNA also acts as a genetic materials in some viruses, but you should know that RNA acts as a biocatalyst. It is not stable than compared to DNA. Clear? There are two types of RNA: single-stranded RNA and double-stranded RNA. In case of HIV virus, influenza virus, tobacco mosaic virus, coronavirus, Q beta bacteriophage, in these viruses single-stranded RNA occurs that acts as a genetic materials. But in case of rotavirus, reovirus, wound tumor virus, double-stranded RNA occurs that acts as a genetic materials. In case of some other viruses like lambda bacteriophage, 5x174 bacteriophage, adenovirus, hepatitis B virus, herpes virus, in these viruses DNA acts as a genetic material. Clear? So we can say that not only RNA acts as a genetic materials but also DNA also acts as a genetic materials in some viruses. Okay.